Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 24th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Spring. Spring Sings for the Grouchy Ladybug by Carle. Spring is here! And all around there are many exciting new sights and sounds. Ducks swimming in the pond. Frogs hopping on lily pads. Turtles peeking their heads out of their shells. Bunnies nibbling on yummy carrots. Birds calling out their happy songs. Bees looking for a sweet treat. Butterflies dancing through the air. Baby chicks hatching from their eggs. Spring is here, so shout hooray! Even the grouchy ladybug is smiling today. Happy spring! The end. We're going to make a dot painted flower, and what you need is your craft to go kit, which has a pretty flower and a clothespin with a cotton ball in it. Now what you'll need is some paint. What you would do is dip this into the paint and then dot it onto the flower. Instead of using this, I'm going to go ahead and use my dot painters. I got these from Oriental Trading, and I'm just going to paint my dots with these because I like them better. But if you don't have dot painters or bingo markers, you can use the cotton ball. So all you're going to do is make dots just to make a cute flower. I'm going to make all my petals different colors. I think I'm going to do the center petal, or the center of the flower, black, just to be different. So I got an orange. There's no red in this kit for some reason, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this, and then when I finish I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I finished. I did my black last. You can hardly see the peach on here, but it's there. But that's my dot painted flower.